Hey, Sonia here. Coming at ya from my bathroom, and this is hard because when you photograph yourself, you want the light to be on your face, right? And as you can see, when I take the light off my face, it doesn't quite look as good as this. So I'm gonna try to do this and hold this up, but what I want to talk to you about is the morning routine, right? And so what do you do in the morning? What's your morning routine? What is your skincare routine? So I am using my gentle cleanser, right? Begin. It's half hydrosols and half, there's some glycerin in there too, and half oils like sunflower oil and what is the other oil? I can't think of it off the top of my head. I have too many products. Anyway, so as you can see, I started and I was looking kind of rough, right? Just because, all night and my skin's gone through a bunch of different processes and my oil levels have changed. And so, at the end of the day, and maybe I've done a little bit of sweating. And maybe I kind of forgot to do my skincare routine last night. So you can see my skin's responding immediately to this oil-based cleanser, to these natural organic products. And I'm actually pulling off a bit of dirt, see? So the oils in there will gently cleanse your skin, pulling off the impurities from your skin, without compromising that barrier of skin, which unfortunately a lot of cleansers out there will compromise that barrier, right? So, and that's one thing we don't want to do because then you're causing damage to your skin, and then your skin has to work extra hard to try to repair it, rather than do what it's supposed to do and protect you and regulate your temperature and all those good things. So, I'm going to actually do one more round here with my cleanser. Shake it, and I usually actually use a flat cotton round, and I have one right here. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and set this down because that looks so much nicer though. Flat cotton round, shake, tell the dogs to stop screaming in the background. Dogs! Okay, so unfortunately my cleanser is getting low, so I'm gonna bring it up here. You can kind of mostly just hear it, right? I'm gonna do one more round, and I mean this cleanser by itself is almost moisturizing with the oils and hydrosols actually. Okay. All right. I don't see anybody on there, so if you're on there, give me some likes or hearts. I hear people say that all the time, so I'm going to say it just in case someone's on there because it doesn't always show up on a live video. So if you are watching, give me a like or a heart so I know you're there. And if no one's there, then that's okay too because someone will watch this later. So I'm going to go ahead now and use my Restore, which is my anti-aging toner I created. It's actually pretty amazing. It's got neroli hydrosol in it, as well as some other hydrosols, and it is very good. That neroli is a very uplifting and grounding essential oil, plant hydrosol, and it actually helps make me kind of calm me down, make me a little bit alert. It lifts me up, it makes me confident. There's a lot of excellent emotional qualities to neroli. It's notoriously good for people with nervous exhaustion, which is like overthinking and over worrying. It has some really wonderful benefits to that, which has actually played a huge role in my growth and development over the last couple of years. So I'm very confident of that. And so I need to bring this back up here again. I need some more. I love this stuff. Put this on all day long. Okay. man, once I do this routine in the morning, I tell you, I'm immediately rejuvenated. It really helps get my mind right and get my skin glowing and alive and active. So it's a wonderful, wonderful process. I don't know if you can see. That's just for from the cleanser and the toner, and you can tell like everything is more alert, supple, vibrant, alive, energized. Like my skin just loves this process. And I've just sat here and taken some time for me in the morning. So there's something about that. Now the next step here is the day lotion. This is a very light lotion that very nourishing. It has green tea extract, right? So your antioxidants. It also has some, hey, I see somebody on there. Let me get a like or a heart if you're on there. Oh, lost you. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, if you're watching this, please give me a like or a heart so I know you're there. So here's my day lotion, and I'm going to go ahead and try, and I'm probably going to squirt it on my arm, right? So because it's a bi-phase product, which means it's half hydrosols and half oils, I'm going to actually, not squirt it on my face, but put it on my arm there so I can get that and put it back on my face while I'm talking to you. But there is green tea extract in that. There's some awesome hydrosols, including the neroli. And of course, those essential oils that are anti-aging, like neroli, helichrysum. And you see how I get that automatic color to my skin? Like it just, these ingredients are really designed to cause immediate cellular regeneration, get things real alive and healthy. And there's also rosehip seed oil in that, olive squalane, which has been called facelift in a bottle, right? So really pretty amazing ingredients in there. I also have a homemade carrot oil in there, a little bit of coconut oil, which does provide more protection to the skin. So amazing products in there, ingredients. And so now you can see my skin looks really just kind of ready to go. Pretty dewy and healthy. There we go. There we go. And alive. Vibrant. Love it. And I feel great. So, what's your morning routine? Have a great day. Bye.